Welcome back, gadget lovers! In today's video, we're showcasing 25 incredible Amazon Office gadgets designed to boost your productivity and streamline your workspace. From smart tools to must-have accessories, these gadgets will take your workday to the next level. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description below, so let's jump right in. Streaming used to feel chaotic until I got the Elgo Stream Deck MK.2. With 15 customizable macro keys, I can switch scenes, trigger effects, and control apps like OBS and Twitch effortlessly. It works seamlessly on both Mac and PC, making my workflow smoother than ever. It's a game changer for creators. After endless hours at my desk, this electric height adjustable standing desk became my lifesaver. Its smooth height adjustments and memory presets let me switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. The 55 by 24 inch surface is perfect for work essentials, and the sturdy T-shaped frame keeps everything steady. Productivity redefined. Jotting quick notes used to mean sticky notes everywhere, until I found this desktop glass whiteboard. Its sleek design, reversible wood stand, and mini size fit perfectly on my desk. Writing feels smooth, erasing is effortless, and it's reusable. Now my workspace stays tidy, and my ideas stay organized. Picture this, charging chaos on your countertop, tangled cords everywhere. Enter this pop-up receptacle, a sleek solution with 4 USB ports and a 15-watt wireless charger. It hides when not in use, then pops up for maximum 20-watt power delivery. My kitchen is now clutter-free and charging is pure convenience. Imagine capturing every word from meetings or interviews effortlessly. The Note AI voice recorder, powered by ChatGPT, transcribes and summarizes in 57 languages, storing it all on 64GB memory. Whether it's a call or a brainstorming session, this sleek device turns your spoken moments into organized notes. Productivity transformed. In my quest for the perfect desk accessory, I discovered this digital alarm clock. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any space, while the large LED display shows time, date, and temperature at a glance. With its auto brightness dimmer, it's both functional and stylish, a true decor upgrade. After a long day at my desk, this footrest became my ultimate relaxation hack. The heated footstool with adjustable height delivers soothing warmth and 3 massage modes. Whether gaming or working, it transforms any seat into a mini spa. Comfort, style, and productivity, this footrest truly has it all. Typing, scrolling, and controlling your iPad just got a futuristic upgrade with the Tap Strap 2. Slip it on, and every tap of your fingers transforms into a seamless command. Whether for work or gaming, this device feels intuitive, cutting edge, and is a true game changer for productivity and creativity alike. Transform your cluttered desk into a productivity powerhouse with this dual monitor stand riser. Designed for 2 monitors, it features adjustable height, dual slots for organization, and space for laptops or printers. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to an ergonomic, tidy workspace, perfect for work or gaming sessions. Tired of cluttered desks? This glass desktop whiteboard is a game changer. It combines a dry erase surface with a keyboard stand and hidden drawer, keeping everything neat and accessible. Perfect for your office, home, or school, it organizes supplies while offering a stylish, functional workspace, an essential for productivity. Keeping your desk tidy and organized just got easier with the 360-degree rotating pencil holder. This sleek, dark green organizer spins smoothly to access your pens, brushes, or art supplies, all within arm's reach. Whether at home, school, or the office, it's a functional, stylish way to declutter any workspace. After long hours of sitting, my back often feels stiff, but the Samsonite lumbar support pillow has been a game changer. Whether I'm in the office or driving, this memory foam cushion perfectly supports my lower back, relieving tension and improving posture. It's the comfort I didn't know I needed. I never thought smart plugs could make life so much easier, but the Casa Smart Plug Mini has totally transformed my home. I can control my devices with just my voice using Alexa or Google Home. Plus, it's simple to set up and doesn't require a hub, truly smart convenience. Lately, I've been using this acrylic dry erase board with a light-up stand, and it's perfect for my desk. The LED glow adds a cool touch, while the clear surface keeps my notes organized. It's fun, functional, and really elevates my workspace with easy-to-use dry erase markers. I found the perfect little helper for my desk, the ODISTAR desktop vacuum cleaner. This cute orange vacuum sweeps away crumbs, hair, and dust in no time. With up to 400 minutes of runtime and a 360-degree rotatable design, it's ideal for cleaning keyboards in small spaces. Plus, it's cordless and energy efficient. I recently started using this magnetic parts tray set, and it's been a game changer. These 4.5-inch silicone bowls keep all my screws, nuts, and washers organized while I work. The dual-sided magnetic base means nothing slips away, and their foldable design makes storage so easy. Definitely a must-have. Winter mornings just got better with this heated mouse pad. This extra-large desk mat measures 31.5 inches by 13 inches and provides ample space for both your keyboard and mouse. With 3 adjustable heating levels, you can easily customize the warmth to your preference. Plus, it features an auto shutoff function for added safety, ensuring a cozy and efficient work setup through the colder months. Stay warm and productive all winter long. Say goodbye to disposable air cans with this powerful, eco-friendly compressed air duster. I use it to clean my keyboard, gadgets, and hard-to-reach places, making it a must-have tool for any tech enthusiast. With 3 adjustable speeds, a powerful 1 lakh RPM motor, and a built-in LED light, this duster ensures thorough cleaning. Rechargeable and environmentally friendly, it's perfect for keeping all your devices dust-free and operating smoothly. I stumbled upon this amazing label maker, and wow, it's truly a game changer. This portable, Bluetooth-enabled label printer has made organizing so much easier. I can print labels right from my phone, selecting from tons of customizable templates and fonts. No ink needed, just efficient thermal printing. It's compact and convenient, making it perfect for home, office, or school use. Whether it's organizing files, folders, or even kitchen items, this label maker has been an absolute lifesaver. After a long and exhausting day, I eagerly reached for the Theragun Relief Massager, and it felt like pure magic. Its lightweight, ergonomic design made it incredibly easy to target and relieve sore spots in my neck, back, and shoulders. The percussion therapy delivered a deep, soothing sensation that worked wonders, providing much-needed relief and relaxation like never before. Whether you're dealing with muscle tension or stress, this massager is a must-have for effective pain relief and rejuvenation. I honestly can't recommend it enough for anyone looking to unwind after a busy day. I used to dread scanning documents, but the Canon Image Formula R40 completely changed that. The simple setup process, color duplex scanning, and incredibly fast results have made it a game changer for both my office and home use. The included software makes organizing and managing documents a breeze. It's efficient, reliable, and an all-around must-have for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. Highly recommended. After struggling with a constantly messy desk, I finally discovered this amazing 6-tier paper organizer. It fits perfectly in my office and helps me keep everything, from important documents to folders, neatly sorted and accessible. The sleek mesh design gives it a modern look, and the handle makes it easy to move. This simple yet effective organizer has significantly improved the efficiency and tidiness of my workspace, making it a must-have for anyone looking to declutter. I recently switched to the Max Gear business card holder, and it's been a game changer for me. The sleek black carbon design looks incredibly professional and stylish, making a strong first impression. The added RFID blocking feature gives me peace of mind, ensuring my information stays safe. The magnetic closure is secure, and it holds my cards neatly and organized, making it the perfect choice for any business occasion or networking event. Struggling with limited USB ports on my laptop, I decided to try the Anker 4-port USB hub, and I couldn't be happier. This ultra-slim yet powerful device offers impressive 5 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, making it perfect for connecting multiple devices simultaneously. Whether I'm hooking up my external hard drive, charging my phone, or transferring files, everything works seamlessly. It's an essential gadget for anyone who needs more connectivity options without compromising portability. While working on the go, I needed a solution to enhance my productivity, and the laptop screen extender turned out to be the perfect fit. This 14-inch FHD monitor effortlessly expands my laptop setup, providing the convenience of dual screens. The built-in speakers are an added bonus, offering clear audio without extra devices. It's incredibly easy to set up, and the best part is it works seamlessly across macOS, Windows, and Chrome OS, making it a versatile tool for any professional. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found some amazing office gadgets to enhance your productivity. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more gadget recommendations. Drop a comment below with your favorite product or any gadgets you think should have made the list. See you in the next one, and until then, stay productive.